Raiders are poised to come out of the home locker room here at Estadio Azteca.
And this beautiful November night is picture perfect for one of the most emotional rivalries in the NFL.
I mean, you can just tell, Brad, this place is going to be rocking tonight.
Oh, it's electric.
They're fired up. They're ready.
It's electric.
I promise you, as a player, as a coach, as a fan, as a radio broadcast team, this is why we do this.
That was a walk.
Hey, 1, 2, 3.
We all we got.
4, 5, 6.
We all we need.
Camus Grugier Hill, the flying Hawaiian, is about to kick off.
What to expect? A sidewinding end-over-end kick.
And Switzer will not bring it out.
Okay, touchback, Camus.
Lobbing a long ball left for Holton, and it's knocked incomplete by Jonathan Jones and intercepted off the deflection by Deron Harmon.
Throws a wheeled route, hit the back of the helmet of the linebacker.
He wasn't playing the ball. Brown ain't gonna call a damn thing.
We gotta get something going.
Here we go, gun game 8.
What's up?
It goes to Blunt, he breaks the tackle, and the great big train is down to the 22.
We ain't done.
I've been putting hands on AJ. I'm too strong for him now, Lucas. That 250, that 300.
Now he wants to run and he's sacked.
Right foot on the goal stripe, and he's sacked.
1, 2, 3. I got him.
That was you?
I got his feet. Did you get the sack? Or you did one of those little half deals? I'm not lying. I promise you. I'm a trustworthy person. I wouldn't lie to you. We got plays. I just need a little more, okay? Just a little more on the edges, okay?
Let's get it, fellas. Let's go. Pass for the far corner of the end zone. Touchdown, Antonio Brown. What a circus catch that was.
Who else? Antonio Brown.
That was perfect.
Caught by Thielen. 50, 40, 30, and is loose. Touchdown!
Let's go! Let's go! They say you don't have speed. Say, hell no! That's a great job.
For a franchise record, 62-yard attempt, the snap and play, swing of the right leg, and that kick is good from 62.
The ball is deflected and loose, picked up by the Eagles. Branham, Nigel Branham. Branham picked it up and took it in for a touchdown. This is a blowout.
Bye-bye. Bye. Hey, we run the NFC.
Played a lot of games against you.
Bro, it's so hard to beat you. Let me get one plus, hey. Hey,
great.
just stay healthy, man. Keep doing you, man.
You too, bro. You too.
For you, that's crazy.
Yeah. Keep it up.
You keep it up, man.
I know. We're gonna try.
Oh,
We got all you youngsters I gotta hang with.
That's a hell of a team win, fellas.
Today, you guys helped this gentleman become third all-time of wins in the 97-year history of the NFL behind Don Shula and George Halas.